There are many ways to earn passive income in the cryptocurrency space, as well as many different platforms. Today we will have a look at YouHodler. They offer a few new products compared to other lending sites. Everything you need to know about YouHodler coming up in this video. There is one particular crypto that I love to stake on this site. So make sure to stay until the end of the video to get all the information. With that being said, let's dive right in. YouHodler is a Swiss-based crypto lending platform launched in 2018. It is a crypto fiat financial service. You can earn guaranteed returns on depositing funds. They store most of the funds securely in cold storage. It has additionally partnered with reputable banks in Europe and Switzerland to store your funds safely. Each deal is a legally binding contract that follows European rules and guidelines. The Ledger Vault, a global security leader, secures all the funds and provides additional self-custody options to its users. You can deposit Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies and start earning interest right away. The minimum amount to start earning interest is $50. Your returns are deposited directly into your wallet every week. Your payments are in stablecoins and cryptocurrencies. YouHodler offers compound interest, which is added every week. If you don't withdraw your interest, you can earn more profits. If you withdraw it before 7 days, you will receive your interest anyway. Every 6 hours interest is calculated. You can deposit your fiat currency into your account via credit card or a bank wire transfer. And you can access your funds at any time. They offer 4 different products, 2 of which are kind of unique. Multi HODL and Turbocharge, I haven't seen anywhere else. But let's start with crypto loans.
YouHodler's loans are designed to give you cash without having to sell your favorite investment. Crypto-backed lending works the same way like a pawn shop secures loans. You use your crypto asset as collateral and get fiat, euro, US dollars or a variety of stable coins in exchange. After repaying the loan, you get your crypto back. There is no need to repay in case the crypto prices drop. You're already on the safe side.
Here is a little comparison chart to get a quick overview. Just remember that whoever makes these charts wants to look good. So I'm actually not sure if all the numbers are correct for the other platforms. But I know that most of them have a loan-to-value ratio of 50%. YouHodler offers a 90% ratio if you want to borrow funds for a short time. That's a pretty good offer. Moving on to the next product. Let's check out the Earn Interest section.
A savings account is a risk-free, high-yield tool to store your coins. YouHodler's crypto-backed lending business offers you a high interest on stable coins. It's a great alternative to traditional savings. Bitcoin and other top coins. It could be a nice additional profit on top of your hodling. Are you tired of nearly zero deposit rates at banks? Benefit from the new digital economy and get incredibly high interest.
Let's have a look at all the cryptocurrencies they support at the moment. 2 rates really stand out for me. First, the stablecoins rate are great. With flexible terms and at least 12%, they are on top of the market right now. The second rate that is really high is PAXG. I've never seen a rate for gold over 8%. If you hold some gold, consider staking it on YouHodler. I'm definitely sending some over when the fees on Ethereum are less expensive. The rates on Bitcoin and other cryptos are average in my opinion. Number 3 on the list is Multi HODL. Let's see what it is and I will give you my thoughts on it.
Multi HODL is an easy-to-use tool to multiply your crypto funds in all market conditions. Simply select the source of funds, wallet or savings account, price direction that you expect from the market up or down, the desired take profit amount, and set an acceptable level of risk. For stable coins, choose the crypto you'd like to use as a multiplication tool. Highly volatile coins allow higher potential profit but bring more risks. Then, YouHodler initiates an automated chain of loans that multiply your profit from price movements. For the price direction up, YouHodler automatically buys more crypto. For down, YouHodler sells it. In case the crypto price follows your prediction, up or down, you receive your multiplicated profit in the same coins back to your account. In other cases, you'll get your initial deposit minus factual loss. The good news is that you use funds from your savings account. YouHodler guarantees to save the interest for the total amount of your savings, even for the part used with Multi HODL. Play with your crypto and find the right balance. Take a limited risk versus an asymmetrical high level of potential profit.
My strategy is to hold long term. I'm not very good at day trading. That's why I will not use this tool. If you have more experience, and want to take more risk, maybe Multi HODL is for you. But I will not use this tool because I can't predict short-term price action very well. The turbocharge function on the other hand I'm definitely going to use. Let me explain to you why, after the introduction video.
Crypto Turbocharge allows you to get more crypto with borrowed funds. Crypto Turbocharge is based on the cascade of loans principle. You use your initial amount of crypto as collateral for a first loan. The platform automatically uses this loan to buy more crypto. The platform repeats this step as many times as you'd like. You unlock the final amount of crypto after repaying the turbo loan. Clone your crypto with YouHodler's Turbocharge if you believe in further price growth.
The last part is key. This only works during a bull market. Do not use it in a bear market. Trust me, you will lose your money. However, if you watched my other videos, I strongly believe that we are in a bull market this year. So now is the perfect time to use Turbocharge and leverage your crypto holdings. I can't give you financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. Let's have a quick look at what YouHodler looks like on desktop. A mobile version for iOS and Android is available too. This is your home screen in YouHodler. As you can see, I've deposited $2,000 into the platform. You can find your earnings in the top right corner. And every week you get interest deposited in your account. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to add some PaxG because it's the best interest I've found for gold. You can check out the rates for your favorite crypto. In my opinion, YouHodler is best used with stablecoins and gold. Let's summarize the pros and cons of YouHodler quickly. They offer great interest rates on stablecoins and gold. Especially since there is no lockup period, and you have access to your funds 24/7. You benefit from compound interest if you don't withdraw your holdings. With Turbocharge and Multi HODL they offer some unique products as well. On the other hand, YouHodler was founded in 2018 and therefore is relatively new. But since it is based in the EU, I don't worry about trusting them with my money. However, you have to decide this for yourself. We will leave the link to their website in the description. Let us know in the comments if you are already using YouHodler, or what your thoughts are on this company. As well as any crypto review you would like to see next. You can also chat with us on Facebook. Just click the link to our page in the description. One more thing before you go. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out in creating more content. And when you leave a like, it will reach more people. So a big thanks in advance. We will see you in the next video.